Welcome back, students. So here I am again, your English teacher Kanika Tripathi, and today's lesson we will learn about adjectives. First, look at this sentence. Yeah, this is a whiteboard. Okay, you are seeing a whiteboard. What is written on it? This is a whiteboard. Now, see the word board. So, the word board is a noun because it is the name of this thing. Now, see this word, white. So, this word is telling something more about this board. The word white is showing the quality of the word board, that is a noun. So, such words that shows the quality of a noun or a pronoun, what we call them in grammatical terms. Okay, so in today's lesson, we will learn about such words that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so such words that qualify, identify, or say something more about a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. So, the definition of adjective will be adjectives are words that qualify, identify, or say something more about a noun or a pronoun. Okay, now see the example. I have a blue kite. Okay, so here the word blue is telling more about the word kite. I have a kite, but this kite is blue in color. So the word blue is adding something more in this noun. It is telling us more about this kite. Rita has a cute puppy. Okay, so Rita has a puppy, and the word cute is telling us more about the puppy. It is telling us more, it is giving us more information about the puppy. Okay, so this word is noun. So the word blue and the word cute are adjectives. Okay, so after the definition, we will learn about the types of adjectives. So there are 6 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, Adjective of number. Demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. And possessive adjectives. Okay, so these are the 6 types of adjectives. Now we will try to understand all these types one by one. So the first type of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjectives of quality. So adjective of qualities are basically the adjectives that shows the quality or the kind of a noun or a pronoun. Shows the kind or quality of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, for example, Ariji has a melodious voice. Okay, so here we are talking about Ariji. We are talking about his voice, that he has a melodious voice. So here the word melodious shows the quality of his voice, shows the quality of his voice. So here the word melodious is adjective of quality. Now see the next kind, that is adjectives of quantity. Okay, as you can understand by the name of it, it shows the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Of a noun, shows the quantity of a noun or a pronoun. What's the basic thing about the adjectives of quantity? That it will give the answer of the question, how much? Okay, So adjective of quantity are basically used with the uncountable noun that we can't count, we can only measure that. So with uncountable nouns we will use adjective of quantity. Okay. So their examples can be few, all, some, whole, etc. Okay, and you can say I have some rice in dinner. Enter. I have some rice in dinner. Okay, so in dinner you have some rice. How many rice? Some rice. Rice is an uncountable noun. So as I told you, the adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns, and it always gives the answer of how much. So here the word some gives the answer of how much, that how much rice, some rice. So such words like few, all, some, whole, etc. are adjective of quantity. Now the next type of adjective, that is adjective of number. So adjective of numbers are basically shows the number of a noun or a pronoun. Okay. So adjective of number shows the number or order of noun or pronoun. Okay, so we can categorize it into three sections. Definite plural, adjectives, and descriptive. Okay, so definite neutral adjectives are basically the adjective of numbers that tell us the exact number of a thing or of a person. There is one specific thing about adjective of number, that it will always give the answer of how many. Okay, so indefinite numeral adjectives give us the exact number or the exact order of a noun or a pronoun. An indefinite numeral adjective, they can't tell us the exact number, okay? But it will give the answer of how many, but it can't give us the exact number. So it is called indefinite numeral adjective. And distributive numeral adjectives are those adjective of numbers that talks about the one thing or one person at a time. Now see these sentences. I have 3 pens. Renu have few rupees. And every child will play this game. Now see all these sentences. First, there is I have 3 pens. Here, the word 3 is adjective of numbers because it is showing us the number of a noun, that is pens. See the next sentence, Renu have few rupees. Okay, so here rupee is noun and the word few is showing us, is giving the answer of how many. If I say how many rupees Renu have, so you will say Renu have few rupees. And the word every. Here the word every is adjective of number because it is giving the answer of how many. If I say how many child will play this game, so the answer will be every child will play this game. So all these words, 3, few and every, are giving us the answer of how many. But here the word 3 is telling us the exact number. How many pens I have? I have 3 pens. So it's a definite numeral adjective. In the second sentence, you see few. Few is also giving us the answer that how many rupees? Few rupees, but it is not telling us the exact number, that 20 rupee or 10 rupees. So this word few is indefinite numeral adjective. And last, the word every. Every, here the word every is telling the one person at a time. It means we are talking about one person. Every child will play this game. So 3, few, every, all these are the examples of adjective of number. 3 is definite numeral adjective. Few is the example of indefinite numeral adjective, and every is the example of distributive numeral adjectives. Now we will see the next type. That is demonstrative adjectives. Basically, demonstrative adjectives points out the noun or the pronoun with which it is used. Okay, for example, this photo is my favorite. Okay, so here we are talking about a photo and the word photo is now here. And the word this points out toward this noun. Which photo? This photo. So this photo is my favorite. It means I am pointing out, I am just using this adjective to identify that photo, that this photo is my favorite. So here the word this is a demonstrative adjective. You see the next type, that is interrogative. So what are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are used with noun to ask a question. These are used with noun to ask a question. Sometimes people get confused in interrogative pronouns and in interrogative adjectives, but what are difference between them? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions whose answer will always be a noun. But interrogative adjectives are used with noun in a sentence to ask a question. Okay, you can. The example, there is a sentence, who are you? And there is one more sentence, which pen do you prefer to write? Now just see the difference between both these sentences. The first sentence is asking a question, but here the word who is used independently. No any noun is following it. It is not used with any noun. If I ask who are you, so its answer will be a noun. Okay? Now see the next sentence, that is, which pen do you prefer to write? Here the word which is used with a noun, that is pen. Which pen do you prefer to write? Okay, it is a word that is used with a noun to ask a question. Means there are too many pens and someone is asking that which pen do you prefer. So it is the difference between adjective of pronoun and interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Now we will see the last type of adjective, that is possessive adjectives. So the last kind of noun is adjective is possessive. Adjectives. So possessive adjectives are used with a noun or pronoun to show the possession or the belongings. So okay, so these adjectives show the belongingness or possession of a noun or pronoun to the another noun or pronoun. Like TT is my friend. Okay, so here the word TT is noun and I'm talking about TT and she is my friend. So here the word my is showing my possession or my belonging to TT, who is my friend. So my is possessive pronoun. So my is possessive adjective. Okay, so these were the types of adjectives. Hope you all have understood well. So in today's class, we learned about adjective and its 6 types. So here I will erase my class and I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.